milk smoothie or watermelon apple milkshake. One of the tastiest with the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious with the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique with the apple recipes and one of the most unique with the milkshake recipes and one of the most different with the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make with the apple smoothie recipes and one of the most unique with the watermelon smoothie recipes. We are going to make watermelon apple milk smoothie. We have taken around 150 grams of apple and around 50 grams of sugar and around 200 grams of watermelon cut in pieces. The apple pieces. And the sugar. Close and grind well. Put in the watermelon pieces. Put in the rest of the sugar. Close and grind well. Pour in milk around 150 ml. Close and grind well. Blend well. Open. Now the watermelon apple smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour it into the glass. Fine. Watermelon apple milk smoothie or watermelon apple milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the apple smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the mixed watermelon smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.